guys, recall that I had previously talked about my frustrations about the MRA between ACCA UK and CPA Canada, and how I went on to talk about the pathway that is suitable for those of us who are members in good standing of the ACCA but missed the deadline for admission to CPA Canada. If you missed that video, I have put a link in this video for you to play catch up. Now, I will be discussing the eligibility criteria, the required documents, the costs, and my personal experience with this. Do not go away. In order to qualify for student registration, you must be a member in good standing of the ACCA at the date of application. You may also be eligible for advanced standing in the CPA program if you have a university degree and a certain number of years of experience. You'll be required to complete 30 months practical experience. This practical experience is a separate assessment, different from your assessment or from your application for registration as a student. Now, after you have registered or after your registration has been approved, you can apply for an exemption from the 30 months practical experience requirement by submitting a form called PER, Practical Experience Record Form, for internationally trained accountants for each of your employers, both current and previous. Your exemption from the practical experience is only considered after you have enrolled in a CPA PEP module. There are two paths under this program. One is the challenge path and the other is the full CPA PEP path. So, the challenge path requires a university degree and a minimum of 3 years of experience, or no university degree and a minimum of 8 years of relevant experience. You'll be required to complete the following components of the CPA PEP. 1. Challenge the exams of Core 1 and Core 2. Challenge the exams of 2 elective modules, Capstone 1 module, Capstone 2 module, and the common final exam. The idea of challenging these exams is they are literally saying, oh, you are an internationally trained accountant. You already know these courses, or you've taken it as part of your exams under your previous accounting body. So you should be able to challenge this exam. You should be able to show knowledge of these exams. It's good. It's a good path, actually. If you can do it, do it. The only downside is that the CPA will not provide you with materials for your study, so you have to figure out a way to study and then go challenge the exam. The other path is the full CPA PEP path, which requires no university degree and a less than 8 years relevant experience. You will be required to complete the following components of the CPA PEP. 1. Core 1, Core 2 modules and exams. 2 elective modules and exams, Capstone 1 module, Capstone 2 module, and the common final exam. The required documents: you would need your proof of ID, you would need your letter of good standing, you would need your resume that details your work experience and education history in a chronological order. And if you're applying for exemptions under the challenge pathway based on holding a university degree, you must provide an original World Education Services, that is WES, credential evaluation report through their website. What I did as a student, or to apply as a student, I created my student account on the CPA website. That was the first step I took. And then I uploaded my proof of ID and latest resume. I also sent an email to ACCA UK support instructing them to send my official letter of good standing directly to CPA Canada. After that, I requested for evaluation of transcript or transcript assessment from my CPA account profile. I also logged into my WES account. So with WES, I had initially evaluated my university degree transcript as part of Canada PR Express Entry application. So my profile is still valid. I only needed an evaluation upgrade rather than request them to do the evaluation from scratch. So that translated into less fees for me rather than doing it from scratch, or compared to doing it from scratch. The evaluation by WES took about 7 to 10 working days. Once that was completed, it was electronically transmitted by WES to CPA. So I only got a notification from CPA Canada confirming that the evaluation had been done. So in less than a week, I received an email from CPA Canada regarding the results of my evaluation, and I was offered exemption from all the preparatory courses. This means that I was eligible to take only the CPA PEP courses. The fees associated with this program are available on the CPA website, to be honest. For me, I paid about $105 Canadian to initiate transcript assessment by CPA. In addition, I also paid about $178 to WES for the evaluation upgrade. Note that if you're starting from scratch, you may be paying more fees to WES. The other fees for exams, materials, and so on are on the CPA website. Just know that it's a huge investment, and I would advise that you explore options that are available to help you reduce the cost of your study. For example, when negotiating a job offer or a new job offer, discuss the possibility of getting reimbursed for the amount spent, or you can check with your current employer to see if they are willing to cover the costs. Many organizations have a budget for professional development, so speak with your heads of department to make sure that they have the best option for you. So yeah, I have summarized the process for transitioning from ACCA UK to CPA Canada. Make sure to watch the initial video that I posted to gain full knowledge. It is linked in this video. If you've enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. Bye.